How to adjust sound settings in BLEACH Soul Resonance. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. And in this video, we are going to be learning how you can easily change or adjust your sound setting in the BLEACH Soul Resonance game. So here's how you do it. First of all, open the BLEACH Soul Resonance game on your device and wait until it reaches the main home screen. Once the game fully loads and you are inside the game, go to the upper right corner and tap on this menu button. From the menu that appears on the screen, click on the gear button. Now go to the left hand side and click on audio, and from this audio settings, you can go ahead and adjust your sound settings. Go ahead and look for the sound options. You will see music volume, SFX volume, voice chat volume, and animation volume options. If you go ahead and adjust the music volume, this usually controls your background music. If you want to turn off the music volume, then you can tap on the switch right next to it and make sure to turn it off. Similarly, you can also adjust your SFX volume, voice chat volume, and animation volume. If you don't want any kind of a music whatsoever, make sure to choose all of these buttons off. But if you want to keep some of the music options, then you can simply select the specific sound volume option and switch it on. You can also adjust the sound volume by dragging the little slider left or right. Adjust it according to your preference, like how you want it on your game. And once you are done, from there you will be able to adjust your sound settings. So it's upon you if you want to play the game without any sound or with some of the sound effects. And here's how you can easily adjust them. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back again in the next video. Stay tuned till then.